Go.
Like this. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. My name is The Knight, and let's do it. Okay, you only need one piece of paper. Could be any kind, little or big. Any color. And then you start from this. Make 2 triangles, a little. You fold it like a mail. You fold it again like the first part. Here we go. I hope you like this video. Okay, that's the paper airplane I made. I hope you like it, guys.
Be sure to like this video, and I'm the cameraman, the person, and my little helper Omar here.
Hey.
What up?